Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. In this video Adana Kebab plain urfa and chicken Adana recipe is given in detail. I share the necessary materials for kebab and the cost of these materials with the dollar account in the explanation section. Lamb should be used and only the leg, that is the portion of the lamb. Lamb tail fat only lamb fat tail fat. 500 grams of chicken and 500 grams of lamb are required for the chicken Adana kebab and 200 grams of tail fat is used. 2 red capers pepper. Spicy pepper paste. Tomato paste is certainly not used, only pepper paste. Red pepper and some water. As needed salt is used. A piece of bread. Green peppers and tomatoes can also be added with rice and fried potatoes. It is easier to place it in the kebab bottle using gloves. 2.5 centimeters kebab skewers to be used. 50 centimeters big kebab armor knife. Big chopping board required. Firstly, the boned lamb should be prepared. We show this part so you can figure out which part of the meat I use. Prepare the meat in the boneless form and bag it and keep it in the freezer. Slice the meat thinly before making the meat with the large knife. The original Adana kebab is made of meat with a machine will be completely cut with a knife handmade mince. The meat will be cut with a knife without crushing and will be more in flavor. Lamb tail fat added. Cut the meat until it is thin with the big kebab sauce. The meat in this place will stick to each other. The meat in this place will stick to each other. Now the chicken will be made Adana Kebab. Chicken must be mixed meat and chicken for Adana Kebab. A half kilogram of chicken is added to a half kilogram of meat, and it will be normal to use up to 250 grams of tail fat. In the same way preparing minced meat. Adana Kebab and chicken. Red pepper for Adana Kebab is chopped thoroughly with large knife. Chill until the water comes out. You can use this water in the marine process, or you can add it into the dishes. You can use this water in the marine process, or you can add it into the dishes. I will make one urfa kebab to show to you. Urfa kebab is prepared by simply adding salt, and it becomes simple. Add red pepper to red pepper Adana Kebab. Add chili pepper. Add salt. Stir in water and add drained flake pepper. Thoroughly mix with each other. Right left-handed bottomed bump. Chickens are mixed in the same way with capers, pepper flake, pepper salt and pepper paste. reason I do chicken is a substitute for bringing it all at a lower cost. The price of lamb is really expensive and it can be made a little more affordable. The kebabs are ready to be cooked without any hesitation. Lamb urfa kebab, Lamb Adana Kebab, Chicken Adana Kebab, to burn barbecue charcoals, egg parcel paper pine cones and a few pieces of wood to be used. You can speed up the burning by using a chimney in this way. It will be easy to create a little wind with the fan. Adana kebabs will be placed in the iron puffs. Iron skewers need to be cold, clean and dry. Use of gloves will be good for preventing the oil from sticking to the hand. You can do it easily by soaking your hands a little. The urfa was placed in the kebab. The urfa was placed in the kebab, the chicken was placed in the island, now the lamb is placed in the kebab. When the kebabs are ready to cook, the mangal is placed. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. Adana kebabs do not take too much time to cook very quickly. The inside of the Adana kebabs are cooked without drying and served immediately after the cold. Rice pilaf, roasted tomatoes and peppers, served with fried potatoes. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.